Hey guys, how are you doing? So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a new method to get this insane modded version of your favorite game, guys, the Doomsday. So let me open it up and show you guys Doomsday Last Survivor. So as you can see, I'm pretty poor right now, but when I press this button, I can actually add unlimited diamonds. So I just turned it up all the way. So let's see if the diamonds start increasing. And then I'm going to show you guys how to download this to your device. So as you can see, this is what we have right now. So hopefully it starts rising, and then I'm going to show you how to get this modded version for your phone. So let's see if it starts going up or not. And then we're going to make a video together. So let's see what happens. No change. Oh my gosh, it works. Look at that, guys. The money's actually rising. So I'm going to show you how to get this Doomsday Last Survivor modded version for your device 2026. So let's get into the tutorial. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the browser, and we just need to type in the website tweakmod.com. So once you're on this website, guys, just type in Doomsday. Go ahead, press install. And before it downloads, there's going to be a verification. So you just need to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. So it's loading up right now. And you can see the Apple and Android logo, so it does work on both. So let's just give it a second for this to load, as you can see. So yeah, I don't really play this game, but now that I got unlimited money, you know I'm on it day in and day out. So let's see if this loads right here, as you can see. So basically we just need to download 2 of these apps. So as you can see, it says missing files. So just pick 2 of them, guys. It doesn't matter which one you do, but you can see we got like Travel Town. This one's like down and reach level 9. So I just press continue, and then it will take me to the App Store, and I just got to play it until I'm like level 9. So that's pretty simple, guys. So just go ahead and do 2 of these, and then you should have the Doomsday Last Survivor modded version for your device. So I just play through this right here until I reach level 9. So let's just go to the App Store and type in the game just so you guys can see. So I'm just going to type it in. So you don't need the game installed because this is a separate modded version, but as you can see, it's very expensive. So if you guys want to pay, that's up to you, but chances are if you clicked on this video, you're not really the paying type. So yeah, make sure you guys get the word out. This is super cool. So if you like Doomsday Last Survivor, this is how to get the modded version for your device. So you can get unlimited currency, as you can see. So that's super cool. So we got the anti-ban going on, all this good stuff. So the one thing I'll say is make sure you go to settings, and then go to general, and make sure you got background app refresh turned on. So this is very important that you have this on. But other than that, you should be good to go. So I'm going to see you guys later. But that's how to get Doomsday Last Survivor modded version for 2026, so you can get unlimited money. So yeah, it's super crazy, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I've done this like 800 times, and it actually works. So have fun. Just make sure you download 2 of the apps. You got the video right there you can watch. So this is super insane, guys. So try it out, and then you can mod Doomsday Last Survivor. So this is super cool, guys. I've looked into it, though. I don't think there's any other mods. This is the only one that works. So be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, and I'll make more videos about Doomsday Last Survivor for you. I'll make them for you if you want. So let me know in the comments down below what you want to see, and then we can do videos together. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. So be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys. Get the word out. This is super amazing, guys. No jailbreak, no computer. So that is so fun, bro. So try it out.